5 essential things that you must do to turn this old home into a dream home.
This house shared its master bathroom with dinner guests. Ick.
Modern families are all about eco-friendliness.
The kitchen.
The master retreat.
No one wants to share their personal bathroom with their house guests.
Modern families have moved away from grandma's cozy nooks. They love open concept, bright layouts. We've taken this dreary old 60s house and we're blowing her right into today. So consider knocking out those walls. That accomplishes 2 things. 1, now your same square footage suddenly feels much larger. And 2, that positive vibe created fosters much better family interaction. Who can fight when your world is so bright?
Let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Your kitchen, to appeal to modern families, needs to be a home chef's dream. Think about adding that fancy coffee maker or smoothie station. Optimize the storage, but an absolute must is adding a functional and inviting breakfast bar or island. Think about how much time you spend in your kitchen. Even if you get your food delivered, the kitchen is where life happens. Friends are gonna come over, they're gonna enjoy sitting with you at your island or breakfast bar. That's where a lot of communication happens throughout the day, even with your kids. A functional, inviting kitchen is a game changer and it will absolutely sell your flip.
Now let's talk about that master suite. Who hasn't locked that bedroom door behind you the minute you get home from work? Today's modern family needs a sanctuary, a place to just let the stress of today fall away. The master retreat is my favorite part of a remodel. I get to take that dingy old bedroom and create an ensuite with a walk-in closet. You can't do too much. You need to steal every inch available, from old coat closets to those funky built-in niches. They just get filled with junk anyway and serve no purpose in today's world. But you take that space and you add it to that master bathroom suite and you create a functional, private oasis. And that luxurious touch is what will have your buyers signing contracts.
As you know, we're always looking for partners. I'm here with Lisa and Terry. Hey! And we're going to go look at this gorgeous Halloween house right behind us. So always looking for those partners. Hit us up.
This house shared its master bathroom with dinner guests. Ick. No one wants to share their personal bathroom with their house guests. It is crucial to reevaluate bathroom access, especially when it comes to house guests. We don't want guests traipsing through bedrooms to access bathrooms. Even if a guest bathroom is shared with a bedroom, it still needs to have easy access from common areas. Who wants their friends just walking through their kids' rooms or any other room of the house that might not be tidied properly? By stealing odd junk closets, we were able to enlarge the master bathroom enough to portion off an extra half bath just for guests. It's a small detail, but it will greatly affect guest comfort, and that will help you sell the house.
Let's focus on something that we don't talk about too much: energy efficiency. Modern families are all about eco-friendliness and saving money on your utility bills. Research the materials on your flips, and whenever possible, use eco-friendly. Upgrade those old aluminum drafty windows. Replace old insulation and your HVAC, not only making your home more modern and energy efficient, but also sustainable. That is a win-win for both the environment and your wallet. And this funky little pergola here, well, it came with the house. And this is a great example of what not to throw away.
So we're gonna paint it and we're gonna keep it.
And if you click right here, we'll show you how to stage it. Now that we've shown you how to modernize a house, let us show you how to stage it.
Just ow.
To turn, sorry, something's attacking me.